Hi everyone. Good morning. How are you? Okay, fine. Yes. In the last class, what we study? We studied about Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar. One more chapter we finished, no? Yes. Aki Matra. Three blocks we finished. Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar already over. First chapter we finished Aki Matra. Correct? Yes. In this Aki Matra chapter have some exercises. You all of you did it. I hope you all of you did. Correct? Okay. Now we are going to start Aki Matra chapter. Okay. Chapter 2. Aki Matra. Chapter 2. Aki Matra. Okay. Aki Matra. What do you mean by Matra? Matra means symbols, chinnangal. Okay. In this class, we are going to study Aki Matra. Aide chinnangal. A symbols. Okay. First class, we already finished, no? K plus A. What is the answer? Did you remember? Yes. K plus A is equal to Ka. Very good. Then G plus A. What is the answer? G plus I is equal to Gha. Then T plus A. What is the answer? T plus I is equal to Ta. Very good. Okay. G, G, Ka, Ga, Ta. In here, we are going to study A symbol. K plus A is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, Ka. Then G plus A is equal to Gha. T plus A is equal to Ta. What is the difference between in these two? Here have a symbol, here have a symbol. A symbol putting time, no need any other symbol. Okay, this A have no symbols. Okay, K plus A is equal to Ka. In here, K plus A is equal to Ka. In this Ka have one symbol, no? Where is the symbol? This is the symbol, A symbol. Okay, A symbol writing time, this line you want to put. Understood? Okay. More words we studied, no? A key symbol. A symbol. In this chapter have more words. Okay. A symbol that we want to read. Where I read, there you want to touch in your finger. I hope you all of you got your textbook. Okay. First one. Car. Where I read, there want to touch. Then you also read. Car. Mala. Bal. Kan. Hath. Nak. Baja. Raja. Tara. Chata. Bhalak. Palak. Badal. Chaval. Gajar. Anar. Padshala. Tomato. This every words and chapters we already finished. I am revising only, just a revision. Okay. At that time you didn't get textbook. Bal, Kan, Hath, Nak, Baja, Raja, Tara, Chata, Balak, Palak, Badal, Chaval, Gajar, Anar, Padishala, tomato. Understood? You sit in your home and read it. More times you can read. Okay. Have to read these full. And here downside also have some work that also do it. Take next page. This just to revise only where I read there you want to touch it. Okay. You want to study this reading. Okay. I will take reading test also. Online Zoom meeting. Are you ready? Yes. First this paragraph. Okay. Raghav Bazar Gaya. First chapter name Raghav Bazar Gaya. Okay, Raghav went to Bazar market. A Radha A Bazar चल आज का काम आज कर कल पर मत टाल कान मत पकड़ लता ताला लगा. This meaning also I given. In first time I given this meaning also. That's why simply read only. Okay. Next paragraph. Look at next paragraph. This paragraph. Okay. Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raja Baja Laya. Raja बाजा बजाकर नाच लता लाल लाल टमाटर लाई राधा गाजर का हलवा लाई राघव आम anar laya. Okay, the last paragraph. After that I will say the meaning. Okay. A Raghav A Raja A चावल दाल घा गाजर का हलवा घा अनार घा चल अब आराम कर. Understood? Okay. I will give the meaning. Okay. A Radha a बाजार चल. Come Radha come बाजार चल. Go to बाजार. आज का काम आज कर. Do your work today. Okay. कल पर मत टाल. कल पर मत टाल. Avoid tomorrow. कान मत पकड़. Don't hold your ears. लदा ताला लगा. Lada is lock the door. Raghav बाजार गया. Raghav is went to market. Raja baja laya. What Raja brought? Raja baja laya. Raja brought one baja. Baja means one musical instrument. Okay. Raja baja bajakar nach. Raja is that instrument playing and dance also. Lada lal lal tomato lai. What Lada brought? Lada brought lal lal tomato. Red color tomatoes. Radha gajar ka halwa lai. Radha brought gajar ka halwa. Carrot halwa. Raghav aam anar laya. Raghav brought aam anar. Aam means mango. Anar means pomegranate. In this paragraph, last one. A Raghav a Raja a. Come Raghav and come Raja. Chawal dal ga. Eat rice and dal eat no. Gajar ka halwa ga. Carrot halwa is here. Eat that also. Anar gha. Pomegranate. Eat. Chal, ab aaram kar. Let's go and relax. Okay. Understood. This everything I full finished. This everything I given already. That's why I speed up give. Okay. This full finished view already. And here have more words and meanings. Some words and meanings I written in board. I written on the board. I written no. That you copy in your notebook. Everybody. Yes, that want to study. Okay. And this exercises also want to do in your notebook. And here also have some work. This understand and speak. Okay. This have to read. Are you ready for reading? Yes. Jal, jal, jala. In that one, first jal. Here have any symbol? Did you see? No. Next one, jal. Did you see any symbol in this word? Yes, here have one a symbol, jal. One more, jala. Now, here two symbol came. One, two a symbol came. Understood? What is the difference? Here no symbol, here one symbol, here two symbols came. Okay? Like that more words have. Jal, jal, jala, kal, kal, kala, bal, bal, bala, nal, nal, nala, baj, baj, baja. Understood? Yes, this you have to read in your home. Okay, these boxes. Next page take. Here have some works. Draw, complete the picture and color it. Chitra mein rang baru. Color it the picture. Okay. After that, one rhyme is here. This also simply reading. We can read together. Once I finished these four. Did you study? No? Yes. Look and read. Okay. Gao gao. Raja aya chatalaya. Read. Badal aya chatabaya. जल भरकर सब बरसाया राजा राजा चाता बाया. Understood? We can read together. Are you ready? Okay. Let's start. राजा आया चाता लाया बादल आया चाता बाया जल भरकर सब बरसाया राजा राजा चाता बाया. Understood? Okay. In second chapter Aki Matra, everybody read. Okay, read in your home. These words and meanings, some I given that you study. Do these works, match the following in your textbook and copy in your notebook also. Okay. Now I am going to stop my class. Read and study very well. Bye-bye.